happy people, I'm back with another video, and today I'm super excited because I'm going to be unboxing my Black Friday Young Nails mystery box that I got this year. One of the things I really liked about the Young Nails mystery box this year is that they made it semi-customizable, which is really helpful for those who are wanting to restock on products that they would normally use. So I thought that it was a really cool idea that Young Nails did that. So let's hop into what I got. I did end up getting the Acrylic Mystery Box, and so let's see what I got. Alright y'all, so this is what the box is looking like. Try to arc it up a little bit higher. Okay, so I'm trying to get it up a little bit higher so you all can see all the goodies along with me. This box is pretty tall, so I'm gonna go ahead and move all of this. Okay, so it has like two boxes in here. I'm gonna move this as well. Okay, this is how it came packaged. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and move this box out the way really quick. Okay, so I went ahead and took that first box out of the way because, y'all, this box is really tall. So this is what's included for the first half of the mystery box. Y'all, when I say I was so excited for this. So the first thing I'm gonna pull out here is this 660 gram container of Speed Clear. You all know how much I love and adore Speed Clear. I use it to apply my press-ons in particular. I just think this is some really good I just think this is really great acrylic powder. And so when I saw that I could get a huge container of it for a fraction of the cost and with all these other goodies, I definitely hopped on that right away. So the first thing here is a huge 660 gram container of Speed Clear. And then I think these are actually all the items they let us pick out. So with that mystery box, you had the option between this big container of Speed Clear or Core Clear, and I chose Speed Clear because, like I said, I primarily do my press-ons using the Speed Clear. The next item I got, I think I ended up getting the Ultimate Finish Top Coat. Yeah, so we got the Ultimate Finish Top Coat here. This is their no wipe top coat. I do have another one of these, but I really enjoy their top coats, so got one of these. It did also let me pick 4 different glitters, and so the first glitter I have here is Angel Itch. That's a funny name. Let's see how this looks. Love these containers as well. Very pretty. So this here is a really beautiful fine blue glitter. Absolutely gorge. The next color I got here was Minor Raindrops. Oh wow. Really beautiful iridescent chunky glitter. Very cute. The next glitter I got here is Fuchsia, and they let me pick 4 glitters, and then I think I got to pick 5 different acrylics that were in the 85 gram containers. Wow, that's a really gorgeous fine glitter. It's very pretty. And then the last glitter I got was Royal Red. Wow, beautiful. Okay, so those are all the glitters I got, and then we also got to choose 5 different acrylics. I'm gonna just go ahead and take these out the box so I can sit down, y'all. I'm standing up. I'm gonna take these all out and show you all which ones I got. Okay, so for the acrylic powders I got, the first one was Speed Clear. I did get another Speed Clear because, like I said, I absolutely love the Young Nails Speed Clear. So yes, I have a butt ton of Speed Clear. I have the big container and then the 85 gram container, so I will not run out of this anytime soon. So I'm happy to have a lot of this. The next color I got was Speed Pink. Let's see how this one looks. and this is what it looks like. I got more speed colors because I want to try applying press-on nails using like different colors as well. And like I said, I really like the speed line from Young Nails. The speed pink I think is a translucent pink powder, so I think that's going to be really good for applying press-ons as well. And obviously you guys can use these acrylics to build out your nails and things like that, but I normally get the acrylics for the purpose of applying press-ons because that's how I like to use it. Next I got Cover Peach. Let's see. Ooh, so this looks like a really beautiful nude color here. I am going to swatch these all out in separate videos, so stay tuned. Next color we have here is Speed Bubblegum. I was excited about this one too. I think this one is also like a translucent color, but it's like a little bit of a deeper pink color. And y'all, these things are filled up. Yeah, that's a really beautiful bubblegum pink color. Super cute. And then last but not least, I got Core Clear. Now, I did go ahead and get a Core Clear because, to be honest with you, I've not used their Core Clear before. So I'm just interested to see how it works and performs compared to the Speed Clear. So that's the reason I got this. And obviously, I mean, it's clear. So that is all the items that we got to pick out of the mystery box. But that's not where it ends, you guys. We still have this big old box here full of stuff. And that's what they call it, the pick your own acrylic mystery box. And this is the base items that everybody got in their mystery box. So I'm gonna open this up and show you guys what was included. Okay, so for the base item, I'm just gonna pull this off to the side and just show you guys as I unbox it here. But really big, huge goodies up in here. First item here is the what is it, the nail forms. Yeah, some nail forms. It comes with 500 of them. I don't really use nail forms often, but I've been thinking about trying to use them to do polygel nails. I saw that they came out with those forms, those new dual forms where you can sandwich in to do polygel nails, and I thought about, you know, I could just use the dual forms that I currently have with nail forms and see how it works. So yeah, got some nail forms. It also included, y'all, this big industrial size bottle of Swipe. Y'all know I love me some Young Nail Swipe. I love the whole Young Nail system. So this bundle was freaking ridiculous. So it comes with 32 ounces of Swipe. You can never have too much Swipe. Use it to clean your nails. Absolutely love this. It also came with, y'all, the industrial size of the nail liquid, 32 fluid ounces. Mind you guys, this box was only $120. Like, ridiculous deal for so much product. So yeah, I got the I got the 32 ounces of the nail liquid. Absolutely happy that that was included in the mystery box. And then what's in here? And then, oh yeah, protein bond. Oh my gosh, yes y'all. So we got the big huge container of protein bond. I actually don't have this. My protein bond that I use is this little tiny baby bottle of it. But I do love protein bond. This is the stuff that really makes sure that my nails last and last for a really long time. So really happy to have the bigger bottle. So this is 15 ml and this one's 7.5 ml. So this one's half the size. So I'm happy to have a huge bottle of it. Last but not least, which I was super thrilled about, was these Ombre Pat gels, y'all. Like, I just think this was such a cool deal. Let's hop into what these look like. And again, you guys, I'm going to be swatching these items out in a separate video, so stay tuned to the channel. I'm not going to be swatching in this video. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing for you all to show you what was included. And honestly, I think this sale lasted throughout the entire month of November. So it definitely was well worth it for a Black Friday deal. So let's get this open here. Super cute. Okay, so inside of here it comes with, I can do it like this. Okay, so inside of here it comes with nail art stencils. So this is for like if you need guidance with doing French tip nails. It also came with the Ombre sponge tool. So this is the little gripper use to pick up the sponges. And this here is, you know, the sponges. They give you a nice little amount of sponges. Let's see. It doesn't say how many it comes with, but I would assume like between 50 and 100. And then, y'all, I absolutely love these little pots that the gel comes in. Super cute. So I'm gonna go through each of these colors really quick, show you what was included. So the first color here, I'm gonna zoom in. First color here is Pagnant Strays. Oh, and that's a black. Oh, I love that they have a black in here. Very, very cute. And one of the things that I really enjoyed about this container as well is that it does have the top part that has that mesh where you can tap that sponge into so you don't pick up too much product. So love the actual container on these. And again, I'm going to be swatching in a separate video, so stay tuned. Next color we have here is Spilled Secrets. Oh, cool. It's a really beautiful green color here. Next we have Cake Bot. Oh, cute. So it's like a muted lavender color. Very pretty. And next we have Fear of Invite. That's an interesting name. Okay, and that's a really deep wine color, dark red. Next we have Elastic Brute. Oh, gorgeous. That's a really beautiful, vibrant purple. Love that. And next we have Old Soul Tracks. Nice. It's a really beautiful, is this blue or purple? Like a, looks like a purple with bluish undertones. And next we have Blind Date SOS. Oh, gorgeous orange. Love that. Beautiful, beautiful orange color here. And this one didn't come with the tab, so this one, when you press through it, you can see how the color will come through that mesh material. I don't know why that didn't have a seal on it. Then we got Mist Connection. And it's a really beautiful muted blue color. Next we have Castles and Such. A nice sage green color. Next we have Textify My Love. That's a cute name. Oh, gorgeous vibrant red. Love that. Like apple red or candy red. Next we have Hotel Sheets. I'm assuming this is gonna be white. And it is. I love that it has a black and a white in this collection. I mean, those are the two colors that you'll probably use the most, especially this white to make like baby boomer nails and ombre nails. So that is perfect that they included this white and the black. And then last but not least, we have Poodle Pudge. And that's a really cute nudie brown color. Yeah, y'all, love these containers. I love the idea of this mystery box, and I love everything that was included in here. Let me give you guys my final thoughts. Okay, you guys, so this is everything that was included in the Young Nails Acrylic Mystery Box for 2025, and I must say I'm thoroughly impressed with it. It came with everything from the swipe that you need to cleanse your nails to the nail liquid that you need to activate the powders. I'm talking industrial sizes here for This is just such a great deal. And then they come with 85-gram containers of 5 acrylics of your choice, 4 glitters of your choice, and then I didn't even have room to fit this in the frame, but all of these pat gels, it came with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, came with 12 total. They also included the sponges and the tool that picks it up. Like, I don't even know how Young Nails can do this, but every year they seem to impress me with their mystery boxes. There was one year it was a little bit of a dud, but I mean, I've been buying their mystery boxes for like the last 4 or 5 years now. I would say 3 or 4 years now. And every year I've been very satisfied, with the exception of one year, which I ended up returning my mystery box that year. I think it was last year, if I'm not mistaken, but I love everything that was in this box. I think it was well curated. I think they really kept the nail tech in mind, or the nail enthusiast in mind, when they were creating this box, and especially giving us the options to choose some of these products that were included. But they knew the basics everybody would kind of want and desire, and then let us choose what colors and glitters and things like that we wanted. They did an exceptional job with the mystery box this year. So let me know down in the comments below, have you all shopped Young Nails, and were you able to snag their mystery box during the Black Friday sale? I was so happy that I was able to grab it, and all of these items are going to get some good use in my collection. I am going to make a separate video where I'm going to go through and swatch these pat gels, because they are so cute, as well as swatching some of these acrylics. I'm gonna do that in a separate video. Let me know your thoughts. Do you guys think it was worth it? I think it was well worth it, because on their website alone, some of these products by themselves are like, you know, $60, $70, and I paid $120 for everything that was included here. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed the video. I do upload every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. If you all like what you saw here, definitely stick around, join the happy family. I'd love to have you. And as always, you guys, leave some love in the comments down below, and I'll see you in my next video. I hope you all have a wonderful, awesome, spectacular day. Bye.